Just a quick introduction to PowerSteering software. Our software is used across organizations in pretty much any application of PPM that you could think of. Starting with NewPage, they're a large paper mill, and they're using PowerSteering in their IT PMO to get visibility of the IT backlog and also to figure out what projects are worthy of resource allocation. In the case of ADT, they're the security giant and a division of Tyco. They're using PowerSteering to expedite their stage gate process so that they can bring new products to market and realize a competitive advantage. In the case of Ingersoll Rand, they're using PowerSteering to support their shared services PMO, also in innovation and Lean Six Sigma, and they were even using it to manage the integration activities when they acquired Train. And lastly, Staples is using PowerSteering to run a global process excellence initiative where they're tracking all of the financial benefits from that program. And in fact, they'll be featured in our next webcast on November 15th. I hope everybody can join us for that. Now let's meet our presenters. We are delighted to have Margo Visitacion from Forrester. She is a leading expert in software delivery. She focuses on project and program management, project portfolio management, PMOs, software testing, quality assurance, and Agile, and she's been with Forrester for 8 years. Susan Go is a senior PPM consultant at PowerSteering, and she works very closely with our customers to create implementations that are very much tailored to their deployment of PPM. And prior to PowerSteering, she worked at Primavera, which is formerly ProSite, and there she developed strategic solutions in the areas of portfolio optimization, application rationalization, and IT governance. As I said, we're delighted to have Margo join us, and Margo, please kick it off for us.
Thank you very much, and hello, everyone. I actually need to update my bio. I've been with Forrester 11 years now, so note to myself. But thank you, everyone, for joining us today. And my name is Margo Visitacion, and I am a Vice President and Principal Analyst with Forrester. And my area of coverage is project and project portfolio management, among other delivery practices that are used to help organizations meet their initiatives. And today I'd like to talk about the state of the PMO. What the PMOs have become are an essential element in delivering value to the organization, but they're challenged. They have to deal with a lot of situations and cultural issues, maturity levels, and all of that can make or break how effective your PMO will be. PMOs are now finally being recognized as a critical element in how projects are being delivered, how organizations are meeting their expectations, managing their customers' expectations, rather, and achieving their objectives. But they are challenged in that PMOs routinely fail. There are a number of studies out there about PMOs, and on average, more than 50% fail within the first 2 years. So, and all of that is because if you don't put it in the right place, if you don't really adopt a holistic approach toward program management and how program management and project management can help an organization meet their objectives, that can make or break the effectiveness of your PMO. So let's get started. I'm going to take you quickly through the agenda. First off, we're going to talk about establishing value from the very start. Again, PMOs can be the differentiator between an organization that can capitalize on opportunities and one that can't, but you've got to be able to establish value from the start. They are a cost center. They're seen as a cost center, and if they don't deliver value, they're going to be disbanded. So let's talk about how you can establish value from the start. PMOs also need to be the change agent, and we'll talk today about how to use the PMO as a change agent, and then we'll wrap it up with some recommendations.